K1-D. Your model predicted we would only sell 20 milkshakes today because it's cloudy and 22 degrees Celsius. But there's a huge crowd.
Error detected. Actual sales do not match predictions. Temperature is no longer a sufficient predictor. We need feature engineering.
That's because it's Saturday and there's a festival. What is feature engineering?
It is the process of selecting, cleaning, and transforming raw data into useful features that help our model learn. Before my model can learn, we must clean and represent the features. Computers do not understand raw words. We handle missing values and represent categorical data, like Saturday, as numerical indicators, like 1 for weekend, 0 for weekday. This is called one-hot encoding. When features have wildly different ranges, my gradient descent gets confused and takes zigzag paths. By performing feature scaling, we bring all inputs to a similar scale, making training much faster and more stable.
Like pre-measuring ingredients before baking. So we just add weekend as a feature. Is that it?
Yes, but some features act together. A hot weekday has normal sales, but a hot weekend has massive sales. That is nonlinear. This is a feature cross. We multiply two features together to help our linear model learn complex, combined patterns. Model updated with scaled features and crosses. Sales prediction for the festival weekend: 120 milkshakes.
With the help of feature engineering, we were able to easily clean, scale, and cross our data to make perfect predictions.
Data prep complete. Ready for Chapter 6, reader? Hey reader! K1-D here with our Chapter 5 recap on feature engineering. Imagine baking a cake. You can't just throw raw eggs with shells, unpeeled bananas, and whole bags of sugar into a bowl. You have to wash, peel, scale, and prep the ingredients first. That is feature engineering. We clean the data, represent words as numbers using one-hot encoding, and scale the ranges so our models don't get confused. Finally, we make a feature cross. Like mixing chocolate and strawberries together to create a brand new, nonlinear flavor that predicts sales perfectly on holiday weekends. Prepping your ingredients makes the model taste much better. See you in the next log.